In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove noise completely in your audio or in your video. We're going to use the app called CapCut. Download CapCut from Play Store. When you download the CapCut, you click on New Project. You select the video that you want to remove the noise. So this is the video. Let me play the video and you will see that there is noise in this video. Welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove noise from your background. So you see, there is so much noise in this video, but you're going to remove the noise. So what you do is that you tap on the video or the audio, if it's an audio. You tap on it and you come to this menu bar, click on Isolate Voice. Then you click on Keep Vocal. You allow this to apply up to 100%. You can see that this has been applied. And when you play the video, can you see that the noise is gone? Welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove noise from your background. Can you see all the noise in this video have disappeared? Let me undo it. Can you see? Now when I isolate the voice only, the noise is gone. Welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to. Another method you can use to reduce the noise in any video is by tapping on the video. You check the menu, you scroll, and you're going to see reduce noise. You see, the noise is reduced. In this video, the noise is reduced but not removed completely. The effect is not as much as when you isolate the voice. So in cases where the noise is so much, you can just click on Isolate and click on Keep Vocal. So it's only the vocal that will be kept. Every other voice or noise or sound in the video will be removed. Only your vocal. But in a case where the noise is not so much, you can just use this feature. This feature can help and reduce the noise. So this is how you can remove noise from any video using CapCut and any audio too using CapCut. But in this case, if you want to do that with an audio, you have to either import a picture first or import a video, then add the audio, because CapCut is a video editing app. You cannot import audio singly, but you can import picture, then add the audio that you want to remove the noise, and then export it as a video. Then you can use another app to convert the video into audio. So this is how you can remove noise from your video using CapCut. So with this feature, you don't have any problem recording in a noisy environment, because you know that you can filter the noise and keep your voice only. Thank you, and if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel and drop a comment and like this video.